Bill?
All right, it's Halloween, of course. We've got Jetpack Jason here from Mad Science. We're about to turn things up with some slime. Now, Jason, I've never been one not to belly up to the bar, but to belly up to the slime bar. That's new for me.
Yeah.
So walk us through our slime bar we got set up here for this Halloween.
Well, just like you would at like a buffet, you have
obviously
right
multiple choices.
You have multiple choices, and we can like make all kinds of different slime and like add some things to our slime. It's something that Mad Science is really starting to get into doing here with our slime booth. So the first thing we need is like our base for our slime, right?
All right, what are we working with then?
Some of this stuff.
What is that stuff?
This stuff is PVA.
PVA?
Or polyvinyl alcohol for short.
Oh.
So what that is basically liquid plastic. It's kind of like the main ingredient in clear glue.
It looks a little thicker than water here, more viscous than
right.
water, I guess you would say.
Yeah.
So that's viscous.
Nice.
Use that today in a conversation at work.
We're going to add a little bit of that there.
Okay, PVA, right. PVA. 400 milliliters.
Yeah, ish, right.
Ish,
you know,
whatever.
Measure it out perfectly. You know, that's how we roll here.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you go ahead and take a pic of either one of these.
You've got these. Do I need to put these on?
Yeah, you know what? Let's do that.
Okay.
I think that's a great idea.
Safety first.
That's right. Keep your hands safe because we are going to have a chemical reaction happening here.
Uh-oh.
So, you know, I mean, these are safe. You're not going to have any problems, but it'll keep your hands safe from being stained.
We want to do that.
So go ahead and take a scoop of any one of these three.
Okay, I'm going to go with the green here.
Right. Of course.
Those look like fun. Green. Should I not?
Oh, do it, yeah. Go ahead and put in 2 scoops of that.
2 scoops.
2 scoops.
Then bake at 375.
Exactly.
For 30 minutes. No, I'm just kidding.
No, instead, I'd actually go ahead and take one more thing.
One more of green or purple, or does it matter?
Go ahead and do a purple.
Well, let's do purple too.
Yeah. It's your choice.
Purple or lavender, whatever you'd call it.
All right, now next, Bill, I'm going to let you pick. This is your slime. So, do you want green or red, or the other way around?
Is this one of those tricks where if I use the green, it turns red?
It really is green.
All right, let's do green then.
All right. You know what? Let's just take this off here. And I'm going to have you, actually, you know what? I'll dump this in. If you want to grab one of those utensils there and be ready to stir,
I'm ready to
going to start pouring this in, and you start stirring.
Okay.
All right. And I'll hold on to this.
All right.
Go ahead and start stirring it up.
There we go.
Stir, stir. Keep going, keep going. And go ahead and start pulling that out there.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Now we're starting to get ourselves... Here, I'll hold this up here.
All right, here we go.
Keep going, keep going.
Just stir and just pull it out some more, stir?
Yeah.
Okay.
And in fact, if you want to get some of that in your hands too, you are wearing gloves.
Oh yeah, we are wearing gloves and all that.
There you go.
Oh
Mix that up with your hands.
That's the good
stuff
stuff
almost like
right
we have
there.
like gooey monster eggs inside of there.
That
too.
is, oh.
It's like, ew.
That would be fun.
That's really nasty.
So
Good
what?
luck getting that off your fingers.
Oh, okay. Well, so what kind of chemical reaction is that then? Can you explain the science behind that real quick?
Yeah, we just had a what's called a cross-linking chemical reaction in there. So we have these really, really long polymers, these long strands of molecules, and then when we cross-link them, they kind of tie themselves in knots.
Well, the cross-linkage got pretty sticky here as well.
Right?
So, well, how else can we modify our slime besides just putting in the little, what are those little green
just
things
some
anyway?
little, yeah, well, you know, some little decorations and things.
Okay.
You know, there's another way we can modify it, though, and this one is really special.
All right, we got to go quick here.
Oh, we can do that.
All right, here we go.
This is going to be really cool.
Am I stirring again, or can you
stir? Yeah, you stir again.
Oh,
go
I got to
grab that one here. We're going to take this, and we're going to pour some of this in here.
Oh, this is going to be good.
There we go. Go ahead and start stirring that up. Notice if we get it right above this black light here, it's starting to really show up as like this fluorescing stuff. We threw a little what's called fluorescing in there, and it's kind of
makes is that what makes it glow under the black light?
Yeah, exactly. It's what we call fluorescing.
All right, fluorescing and cross-linking and all sorts of great stuff. Jetpack Jason, that's disgusting, but awesome. In our next half hour, you're going to be busting out dry ice, which is going to be a ton of fun.